Ladies and gentlemen, this is Intervlog. I say this is Intervlog, and I am here once more. I am here because there is one important information that I brought you today, and this information is a beautiful one. And you would ask, what is the information all about? Well, the information is about what is happening in Burkina Faso, and that thing is business, at development. And you ask, what do I mean by that? Well, a company from Abu Dhabi arrived in Burkina Faso on 20th of August 2024, and their comment to Burkina Faso shocked everybody, including Intervlog, because what they said during their visit, I have never heard about it since I started reporting on Burkina Faso. And you would ask, what is that? Well, this company came and said that they come because they have been hearing of Burkina Faso, and they have been making the research on Burkina Faso. And after finalizing everything, the company happened to choose Burkina Faso as the first country to open an office. While people were clapping for what they said, they continued. They said, they are coming, it's not only for one business, but they have choose to invest in any business that Ibrahim Traore wants them to invest in. Areas such as mine, infrastructure, renewable energy, trade, digital, health, agriculture, environment, security, etc. And this is how the meeting happened. Investment promotion in Burkina Faso. Delegation from Promax United Group to the Chief of Diplomacy. Ouagadougou, August 21st, 2024. The Minister of Foreign Affairs of Regional Cooperation and Burkinabe Foreign Affairs, SEM Karamoko Jean-Marie Traoré, received a delegation from the Promax United Group on Tuesday, August 20th, 2024. According to Dr. Sarah Al-Mashjari, spokesperson of the delegation, the purpose of the visit was to present the Promax United Group's ambition to invest in Burkina Faso while helping to create an environment of peace and security. While saluting the vision and leadership of Faso President Captain Ibrahim Traore, she assures the structure's commitment to accompany the government in its daily struggle to create strong economic growth and sustainable development and attract more new investors to Burkina Faso. According to Dr. Sarah Al-Mashjari, her structure is ready to guide its privileged partners to Burkina Faso to invest in key areas such as mines, infrastructure, renewable energy, trade, digital, health, agriculture, environment, security, etc. The Burkinabe head of diplomacy was pleased to receive the delegation of the Promax United Group in the context of false information being relayed about Burkina Faso. For him, moving to Burkina Faso is an opportunity to realize that there is a huge gap between reality and what is distilled as information. You made the right choice and the right choice, SEM Karamoko Jean-Marie Traoré will tell his visitors, explaining Burkina Faso's strategic position in the sub-region, a geographical position that constitutes an asset for the promotion and valuation of investments. He promised that his department will play its part to facilitate the implementation of the actions that the Promax United Group would like to engage in for the benefit of the people of Burkinabe. After listening to their meeting, I was surprised because this is the first time it has happened, and I began to praise good leadership. Imagine if Ibrahim Traore was like any other president in Africa. Do you think Promas would have come to invest in Burkina Faso? The answer is no. Promas came to invest in Burkina Faso because Promas trusts Burkina Faso government. And Burkina Faso government is doing marvelously well. Because look at the president, see the foreign minister, look at the prime minister. These people, by looking at them, you will know that they are not extravagant leaders. They are the type of leaders you see. You will not know that they are the ones. Look at the type of clothes they put on. Look at the type of vehicle they drive. Simple life. This is the type of leaders we want to be seen in Africa. Not those type of leaders that when they get into office, they will move from being a politician into being a dictator. And from there, They began to approve for Toyota Land Cruiser SUVs everywhere. Some of them will wake up one day and approve 460 Toyota Land Cruiser SUVs. Some approved up to 1,000 pieces. When they bring this Toyota Land Cruiser SUV to the country, they will share it among their political friends. And when you check at the countries that are doing all the things, they are all poor countries that need development. No job, no money, poverty, everywhere. But when a president gets into office, the first thing he will think about is enjoyment. Enjoyment everywhere. Some of them approve up to private jet just for the president to enjoy. This type of leaders are the type of leaders that scare investors. Because when investors see president misbehaving like this, the investor will automatically know that the economy is going to collapse. Once your president begin to spend your money anyhow, wait for economical crisis, wait for poverty. And one thing about all these leaders, when the country is going down, the economy is going down, inflation everywhere, the president will not even care. He will be traveling from here to here with the private jet, and all the officials don't care. They will be driving their Toyota Land Cruiser with escort, receiving huge salaries while the masses are suffering. Ibrahim Traore had said that something like that will never happen in Burkina Faso. And this is the reason companies like Promax came to support him. Many other companies from China, from Iran, from Russia, from India have come to support him as well. Look at Burkina Faso. Just 3 years that Ibrahim Traore has been in office. See how Burkina Faso is looking. Everybody is talking about Burkina Faso. Why? Because of the type of leaders Burkina Faso has today. And this is the first time a company from Dubai came to support a country in Africa. Why? Because of good leaders. I pray that other African countries who have been mismanaging their public funds should learn from Burkina Faso. Change in Africa is possible if you have good leaders. Ibrahim Traore has shown us the template, and it working in Burkina Faso. If every leader in Africa behaves like Ibrahim Traore, Africa will never be poor. Africa is poor because our leaders don't focus in what they are there for. How many times have your leader bought tractors for the farmers? How many times have your leaders refused to approve for Toyota Land Cruiser? How many of your leaders behave like Ibrahim Traore? None. This is the reason they don't progress. They are leading us in order for them to enjoy, and this is not a good way of governance. Thank you very much for watching. This is in Tav Log. Thank you.